Hello guys, today I am showing my OpenGL project. So this is my project. We have done number of things here. We have designed moving clouds, moving birds, moving cars, and also boat and one bullet train. Also we have designed cars that are moving vertical. So we have here a number of trees and buildings. Let me show you the code a little bit. We have total here 6,719 lines of code. Here at the starting we have the code for our animation, and we have our display function in the last portion. Here from here we have started our display function, and at the very last we have our main function, and in the upper portion we have code for the movement, for animation, for moving the objects, and then we have drawn specific objects inside a function. Then we have called the this function inside the display function. If you want this project, or if you want to use this project or modify it, then contact me in social media. Thank you.